Hello and welcome to today's guided meditation as we turn within and tap into our divine feminine energy, awakening the beautiful power that lives within all of us. As you sink into this space today, a reminder that in these guided meditations, there will be a moment when there is nothing in the background other than the beats of the music. In these moments of silence, this is an opportunity to turn within and receive the unique guidance available to you. As we start this beautiful meditation, begin by aligning with your breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. With every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into a relaxed state, deeper and deeper into your sacred energy, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe, envisioning in your mind's eye a tranquil meadow, a beautiful path outlined with daisies and wildflowers. The feel of the soil beneath your feet brings you home to yourself. The caress of the sun allows you to open to your sacred connection. As you walk down this meadow path, in awe and wonder of this beautiful landscape before you, breathing in peace and exhaling all that doesn't serve you. Walking down this path, you see a flock of crows. These crows begin to circle in the sky, prompting you to follow them down this path. A beautiful animal guide present with you today. As you walk down the path following the dance of the crows, a powerful red energy circles around you, grounding you into the earth, allowing you to open to the sacred connection with the Earth Mother below. Breathing in this beautiful, grounding energy, a bright orange now swirls through you, allowing your space of creation to open, overflowing with life force energy as you sink into your creative, sensual energies, feeling expanded and enlivened with this beautiful orange energy. A yellow now moves through your system, creating a fire within. Beautiful, powerful electric energy surging through your core as you remember your sovereign nature. As you breathe in this powerful energy, a brilliant green now dances through your heart space, awakening you to the frequency of love from which you came. As you vibrate at the frequency of love, allowing yourself to sink in to a state of oneness and connection with all around you, a deep and sacred peace takes root within you, as a bright blue energy now floods your system, reminding you of your essence. Your authentic expression is born again as you clearly know your truth and feel the courage to express it. As this bright blue energy awakens your authentic essence, an indigo blue moves through your third eye, allowing you to tap into your universal knowing. As all the experiences of your life come into harmony, creating a perfect vision of what is. All senses perfectly active. Your sense of knowing expands as a bright violet energy moves down through your crown. As you sink into your divine nature, feeling the universal support all around you, connected from head to toe, soul to bone, as the colors fade and you are once again on this beautiful forest path, following the dance of the crows. As you walk now fully aligned in your energy center, you notice the crows swirling through the sky, creating a spiral of energy in the clouds. You walk to the center of this spiral to find an opening in the meadow. In the middle of this opening is a beautiful pond with electric orange energy. This beautiful pond is filled with sacred life force energy. And as you sink into its healing properties, your divine feminine nature will be reborn, fully activated. You sink into this pond like a warm hot spring in the earth, allowing yourself to submerge in these sacred energies. It feels like warm honey all around you. Your body begins to fill with this energy. Your energy field becomes expansive and full. In this full and overflowing state, your space of creation is always plentiful, always overflowing, so that you might create wonders in this world. This sacred energy fully activates your intuition so that you can operate from a place of knowing, a trust and a surrender deep within. A fierce softness is born within your heart as you sink in to your space of creation. As you bathe in this sweet nectar, the crows would like to share a powerful message unique to you about your divine feminine nature, the ways that you can harness it, and the ways that no longer serve you. As you sink into this warm, honey-like energy, take the time to listen to the message of the crows. as this sacred message and activation comes to an end, thank the crows for their guidance and wisdom today, and know that they will be with you as a guide, as a way to deepen into your feminine nature, as a sign from the universe of your sacred nature. As you climb out of this beautiful energetic pool, you feel a state of deepened serenity, a return to all your power, your fierce nature, your sacred knowing, your soft heart. Saying goodbye to the crows as they fly away, sinking into deep reverence for this time and place, setting the intention to move forward into your waking reality with this energy active, with the intention to move from this serene, surrendered, fierce place. As you walk back down the meadow path, breathing deep into yourself, a new way of being active within, breathing deep, every step you take bringing you back into your waking reality. As you integrate this powerful activation, beginning to wiggle your fingers and toes, breathing deep into your heart space. Every breath you take, allowing yourself to regain a state of conscious awareness. When you're ready, open your eyes.